Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Coding Captain. In our last video we know how to deploy our project by drag and drop on Netlify. If you do not watch, go and visit my channel and watch it. Okay, but in this video I will show you how we can deploy our existing project which are present on GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket or anything. Okay, let's see how we can do that. It is also a easy method. Okay, simply click on add new site, then select import an existing project. Okay, then this interface is appear. Okay, then in this page as you can see we have to follow three steps. Okay, first step is we have to select where our project exists. In my case all my project present in GitHub, so I am select GitHub. Okay, then we have to authorized. Okay, then this interface appear for install Netlify on our GitHub account. Okay, then second step is select our respected repository. Okay, then click on install. Okay, then third step is to be deploy. Okay, for that click here and go to down, click on deploy. It takes few seconds for deploy. Okay, look, our website is now live. Okay, in this way we can deploy any existing project which is present on GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket or anything. Okay,